Bam! Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Butters. Woo, woo, woo. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay here, and as you guys can see by the title of this video, you already know what's good. So I just took arrival of my brand new work wheels that I've been waiting so long for. I think I literally placed this order in January, and what is it? It's almost June now, so it's been a 4 or 5 month wait for these. I was supposed to get these in February or March, but it got pushed back. But anyways, they're here now. We got some brand new work wheels for the GX470. Right now I'm currently running the TRD wheels, but one of my homies wants to buy them, so I was like, yo, it's all good. By the way, I'm at my parents' house right now, so I got some of my old stuff here. That's why I see the Tesla caps in the back. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these, but if any of you guys would like to purchase these, just shoot me an offer. You can go ahead and DM me. I think for the most part, these are pretty crispy. I see the one in the back is kind of scuffed up, but if you guys have any ideas of what you could do with these or you want them, shoot me a DM. As I was helping the FedEx worker, I noticed that this box is already unboxed, and I was like, yo, I hope everything's okay. So let's go ahead and just open up this one and see what's good. There's the specs right there, 17 by 8.5. There you guys go if you guys want the specs. Ooh. Oh yes, sir. With the vinyl, the real work vinyl. Oh, this is gonna be amazing. I can feel it. All right, take this off. We got some instructions that I cannot read. Pretty cool. You guys ready to see these? Ooh, that color though. Oh man, these are gonna be so nice. Made in China, what? Made in China, what? Let's take a look. Oh, and they got the cover on it. Yo, I'm so used to buying used wheels. This is a full experience for me. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Yo, these things are fire. Especially that color too. And I ended up getting another one for the trunk, or just to have as a spare. This color is crazy, and I love the lip on it. I'm gonna try to not touch these too much. I'm about to ceramic coat them later tonight, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at them. Wow, this is gonna hit so nice. So if you guys don't know what these are the Work S1HCs. A lot of people are running the TEs right now, or the SCS, but I haven't seen too much of these right here. So I figured I'll go ahead and switch it up on them a little bit, because a lot of people be rocking those. I'm super excited to be running these. I cannot wait to throw these things on. Hopefully we can get them on tomorrow, but like I said, I gotta ceramic coat these tonight. I'm just waiting for that ceramic coating to come in. It's gonna be my first time ceramic coating wheels, which shouldn't be too bad. I mean, they're brand new, but yeah. Oh wait, let me see if I can show it to you guys in the sun. Here we go, baby. So freaking nice. Let me know what you guys think about the wheels down below in the comment section so far. Are they better than what you expected, or did I let you guys down? Drop a comment down below, and I want to give a huge shout out to Sensei 6 for taking care of me this whole process, because it was a slight process to get these and I was waiting a while, but Sensei 6 came through, so shout out to the homies. So I just got back to my place, and now we have to unbox this real quick with one hand. Let's see if I can do it. Oh, this is dangerous. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think that will do. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, so we got some ceramic quartz protection. Like I said, I'm going to be ceramic coating the wheels to make cleaning a lot easier, because this is an overlanding vehicle. I don't know if I'm gonna be overlanding in it too much, but I figured, you know what? It's just better to ceramic coat these regardless, because they're freaking brand new wheels. Who wouldn't want to ceramic coat some brand new wheels? So if you guys are interested in this whole package right here, I'll have a link to Amazon. That will be in the description. So I'm gonna go ahead, watch a couple videos just to make sure I'm doing this properly. Okay, so everything has been prepped to the best of my ability. Everything has been wiped down. I don't have any oils or any craziness on these wheels. Before we start coating though, I'm gonna make sure I put on the wonderful work wheels vinyl that they included. Whenever these vinyls are placed, it is on the second spoke from here. And this is pretty much one shot, one go, right? So we gotta be extra careful here. Work wheels, baby. I'm gonna hit probably the spokes first, maybe a couple spokes or a few of them. And then once it flashes, AKA turns like rainbowy, I have to buff it off. So I have to buff it off pretty quick with a clean microfiber, which I should probably grab right now. Alright you guys, it's been a while since I've updated the vlog, so the wheels are now on the car. A few days later, I just didn't record the whole process and I'm so sorry about that, but I know you guys are ready to see it, so let's go ahead and show it to you guys. Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready for this? Woo-wee! Oh my goodness, these things are amazing. I'm currently doing a car wash right now, so that's why the car is kind of wet, but ceramic coating came in clutch. Everything's all beating off. Let me see if I could do a little demonstration. See how it just beads off? There you go. I have some center caps coming soon. I think I need to add a spacer just to push it out a little bit more. Here's how the Fitment looks. So I might do like maybe an inch and a half spacer, or even maybe 2 inches, and I could throw in the center caps, because the fronts, this is how it is stock. So there's no way I'm gonna get a center cap in here. But yeah, this is how everything looks, man. Let me know what you guys think about the new wheels in the comment section down below. It is lit. Let me hit you with that foam cannon ASMR though. Demonstration, see how well the ceramic coating worked. I got my leaf blower right here. You already know what's good. Okay, let's see. Yo, not bad. Here's the car, man. Woo! Oh yeah. Yeah, it looks so freaking nice. Look at the paint, bro. Look at the paint. Feels like my car now. Because the TRD wheels, they were on the car when I bought it, but now it feels like I added my own personalization. All right. That's how it looks. I still can't believe how clean this paint is. This is a 2004. And to have paint like this, man, it's hard to find something like this.
A few moments later.
We are at the legendary Dave's Hot Chicken. I had a couple of people tell me that Cane's is better than Dave's. And this is like, bro, what are you talking about? Got a nice little chicken Sammy, chicken tender, some fries. Mr. David got cakes. Oh my goodness. What'd you get?
2 sandwiches.
Oh, that looks so good.
Not as good as you though.
That was hot. So right now we're back at the crib. We're doing a quick install for David's channel, which will be linked down below in the description. He's doing a quick vlog on the window visor install that he has. on his car right here.
Hey guys, I'm David. Just started a YouTube channel. Trying to make it my full time again. We'll see how that goes.
Beautiful, that's sweet. Nice and simple.
Wholesome.
I like that. So over here, we have one side with the window visors on. Look at that, voila. And if you guys didn't know, this is David's semi-new car. I think he got it a couple months ago, if I'm not mistaken. Yo, what is that over there?
My channel.
This is the side without the window visors. It's a really easy install. The full install will be on his channel though. But I just want to give you guys an update on what we're doing.
Thank you to Alex for helping me. Did I say it right?
Yeah, you did.
Okay.
Thank you to Alex for helping me. What's up guys? I'm gonna end the vlog right here, but I just wanted to share this meal that I'm about to eat, bro. You know, like, I live by myself, so I be having leftovers and stuff, and some meals, it's like, these leftovers kind of work together, but they don't. So let me show you guys what I got. A few days ago, your boy made some guacamole, some guac, and I don't want this to go to waste. So I'm like, all right, what can I make with guac, right? And then the other night, I had some leftover steak, so I was like, okay, let me just dice the rest of the steak up. I had some mushrooms, so I was like, all right, I'm just gonna throw this in here. So now I got mushroom, steak, guac. I had some jasmine brown rice. So I was like, man, let me just make like a fugazi chipotle bowl. I don't got the corn, I don't got the sour cream, I don't got a lot of stuff. But man, it's just one of those days where it's like, I don't want this food to go to waste, so I just gotta throw something together. And it be like that sometimes, so I try my best to not waste food. This is gonna be today's meal. That is our carbohydrates, okay? And I have hella meat, so this is gonna be a meaty one. Not too bad, right? Not too bad. Anyways, I'm gonna scarf this down. If you guys enjoyed this video, what should they do, Butters? What should they do? Hit the like button. Yep, you're right. It's Butters' birthday coming up very, very soon. Are you ready? You're about to turn 4. You're about to turn 4, homegirl. The birthday vlog will be coming soon. We're out. Peace.